China's persecution of the Uyghur Muslims has been condemned across the world. Despite this, Beijing continues to call the detention camps vocational training centers. And now, all the way in Kazakhstan, a group of female demonstrators is demanding safe passage for their detained relatives, the relatives who are trapped or missing in the Xinjiang region in China. Our next report tells you more.
This is not a new story. We at WION have been telling you about China's inhuman treatment of Uyghur Muslims in its Muslim-majority Xinjiang region. We've brought you reports of Uyghur Muslims being jailed and trapped in detention camps, of Uyghur women being raped and assaulted. And yet, China continues to look away from all the evidence and condemnation and insists that these camps are vocational training centers to stamp out extremism.
I am looking for my husband Kharkin Bek. He disappeared 4 years ago, and this is my nephew Kenze Bek. He was sentenced to 10 years in jail.
And now in Kazakhstan, a group of women is demanding justice at Beijing's consulate in Kazakhstan's largest city, Almaty. The group of demonstrators has been gathering for a month. They want a safe passage for their relatives. Some are missing, others have been jailed or are trapped in Xinjiang.
Going to China searching for her husband. It was scary, but every time I went there, I filmed a video and put it on some site where I named myself and said that I'm going to China. And if suddenly I disappear, you know where to search. Those last visits, I was under stronger control. I stood there for 15 to 20 days. Anywhere I went, I was followed by a security service car.
Those who have visited China in vain to find their loved ones say that they have been watched and followed by authorities. Others have been trying to organize a protest movement in Kazakhstan against China's crackdown on minorities in Xinjiang. Sadly, all their demands have fallen on deaf ears.
Over the past 4 years, we have sent them this documentary many times, but they never give us permission.
A recent report by a US-based think tank said that China is carrying out a genocide against its Uyghur population in the Xinjiang province. From illegal detentions to forced birth control, the report made some shocking claims. It remains to be seen if the global condemnation will translate into any real action against China. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.